You are what you eat when it comes to supersizing and growing your business. You are what you eat, uh, no matter what. That's our idiom, our expression today. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and we're talking about physical well-being and physical health and the physical nature of things in this year's Get Up and Go challenge. So I'd like to pick an idiom for the Supersize Your Business group that kind of coincides with that, so my brain's on the same wavelength all day long. So you are what you eat. We are what we consume. This idiom comes from the 1800s, 1826. A French author by the name of, and I'm going to look it up, Jean Anthelma Brillet Saverior. I can't pronounce his name. Obviously, I'm not French. He wrote, "Tell me what you eat, and I will tell you what you are." That's obviously translated from French. And then in 1848, some sources also accredit a German philosopher by the name of Ludwig Feuerbach, I guess it would be, or Feuerbach, I don't know. Again, I do speak German, but I'm not very good at pronunciation anymore. So what does this have to do with us building and growing and supersizing our business? And our topic today is supplements and how supplements can be used to make us healthier and give us more energy and stamina, and all around filling the gaps that might be existing in our diet and our nutrition and what we actually eat and consume. And so what does it have to do? How could we supplement our business as we're growing and building and supersizing it? And there are actually a lot of different ways, and you're kind of only limited by your imagination and creativity and your ability to serve and solve problems for the people that your business is designed to serve. I think of joint ventures, joining forces with people that also offer products and services that are important to your client that you might not want to create and sell yourself, but you can leverage other people's audiences as well as your own customer base and their customer base, and combine them for some synergy in order to serve them better as well as increase your business's income. Partnerships are a terrific way to bring in other people and other parties that can supply things to the people that you're here to serve then that you might not want to or might not have expertise in. Leveraging things, again, using other people's audiences. A lot of people now will get the word out by getting on podcasts. There's a lot of podcasts. It used to be hard to get on radio and television. Now there are literally millions of podcasts that you could be a guest on, or you can have your own podcast where you interview people that would be of interest to your customer base. Product line extensions. I did a lot of work in manufacturing. I still work with a lot of manufacturers when it comes to, do we want to enhance our product line? Do we want to add different products and services to what we already offer in order to serve our customers better? The online equivalent of this would be like upsells and downsells, or creating different packages to serve different groups of people's needs. So I'm curious, do you believe, number one, that you are what you eat? And sometimes I think that makes me cringe when I remember, oh, I am what I eat, and I'm eating a whole bunch of things that aren't good for me. But that's true of everything. It's not just what we physically eat, although we're focusing on that this month. It's what do we consume? Who do we surround ourselves with? What kind of an environment are we creating for ourselves in the business that we're building? All of those things are important. You know, who do we align with? Who do we join forces with? Who do we support and endorse? And who supports and endorses us? It's all important when it comes to building and growing and supersizing the business that you want to create in the world. Love to know your take on this. Have an awesome day, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? If I can find out, because some of them are kind of hidden in mixed meanings and mixed origins. And then what could you do, and how might you use it to grow and build your business today? Have an awesome day, and I'll be with you tomorrow.